Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Scratch Remover is probably one of the most sought-after car care products on the market, promising to restore your vehicle's paint to its original glory by effectively removing unsightly scratches and swirls, leaving behind a smooth, gleaming finish. This detailed review will explore its capabilities, ease of use, and overall effectiveness in tackling various levels of paint imperfections, helping you decide if it's the right choice for maintaining your car's pristine appearance. Number 5. Chemical Guys BUF 612 TORQX Polisher Kit. This kit makes car detailing easier than ever. It's designed for both beginners and professionals. Say goodbye to swirls and scratches. It removes light to moderate paint imperfections with ease. The TORQX offers simple controls and a durable design for accurate polishing. You'll have complete control over the process. This one-step compound polish cuts through defects and leaves a flawless, mirror-like finish. Your car will look brand new. It's not just for cars. It polishes various surfaces, including paint, metal, glass, and more. Everything you need is included in this kit. Get ready to restore your vehicle's shine with ease and precision. What we like. This kit offers a complete solution for scratch and swirl removal. It's easy to use, even for beginners, and delivers a stunning mirror-like finish. If you're looking for professional-level results without the professional-level hassle, this is the kit for you. What people say. This is a great polisher buffer for anyone. It is one of the few products where it is extremely user-friendly. This polisher buffer lets a weekend warrior have the ability to look like a professional. The unit itself is built very well. It is a very sturdy and well-balanced machine. Even on the lowest setting, you can handle this machine with one hand. The compounds are from Chemical Guys based out of California. Their products are probably some of the best that I have ever used. They are very user-friendly and have a great smell. Number 4. Chemical Guys COM_129_16 VSS. Say goodbye to swirls and scratches. This easy-to-use polish quickly removes defects and leaves a mirror-like finish in just one step. It restores a lustrous, scratch-free shine without hiding imperfections. Your car will look its absolute best. Perfect for light to moderate scratches and swirls, it cuts through tough marks efficiently. Get professional results in a fraction of the time. This polish works hard like a compound, yet finishes smoothly like a fine polish. It's the ultimate one-step solution. Chemical Guys is the trusted brand for car lovers worldwide. We offer not only top-quality products but also exceptional customer support and detailing expertise. It's a lifestyle. Join the Chemical Guys community and experience the difference. What we like. This one-step polish cuts through swirls and scratches quickly, leaving a flawless shine. It's perfect for those short on time who still want amazing results. If you need a quick and effective way to restore your car's paint, this is the product for you. What people say. Removed scratches without any damage to the paint. Typical good Chemical Guys product. The product works perfectly. It's amazing. After cleaning the car and only having a cordless drill, needed a to get the final finish, I polished the car and the results are amazing. If I had a all the scratches would have come out, but I got 99% out. Number 3. Total Wax Scratch Repair. It's easy to restore your car's paint with this amazing product. It removes light scratches, swirl marks, and more, leaving a flawless finish. This innovative formula contains resins that seal the repair, creating an even, polished look that won't wash away. Watch your car's paint come back to life. No need for professional help. It's simple to apply by hand or with a polisher. Get professional results without the professional price tag. This product is safe for all paint colors, so you can use it with confidence on your car, truck, or motorcycle. It works wonders on both light and dark finishes. Remember, it's not for use on vinyl, wood, wraps, or matte paint. Always test it on a small, hidden area first. What we like. This scratch remover is incredibly easy to use, requiring no special skills or tools. It's gentle enough for all paint colors yet tough enough to tackle various imperfections. If you want a simple and safe solution for minor scratches and swirls, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This product will only remove the very slightest smudges scratches. It will however make any scratch or swirl mark look significantly better. As long as it's not down to the paint or completely through the clear coat. The scratches are still there and noticeable because I know exactly where they're at. But if you ask someone to find the spot on your car, it will be difficult for them. They won't be able to, or they'll have to look very closely. Added bonus of this scratch repair compound is bug removal. I had made a trip to East Texas and driving around by the lake at dusk, the bugs were horrendous. I did not get a chance to clean the truck until the next week and they just wouldn't come off. I tried mineral spirits and conventional wax and nothing worked. I applied this by hand using a small round foam pad, and after a little rubbing, they actually came off quite easily and the resulting shine was stellar. Number 2. 3D Speed Car Polish. It's a premium all-in-one clear coat car polish and wax. This means you get paint correction and wax protection in a single bottle for ultimate convenience. It's an excellent scratch and swirl remover. It delivers minor paint correction for both small and large areas, restoring your car's finish. It restores your paint's color, depth, and gloss. Plus, it adds a long-lasting wax layer for superior protection. It's easy to apply. Use it by hand for smaller areas or with a polisher or buffer for larger areas with more imperfections. It's made in the USA with over 25 years of research and development in car care. Experience uncompromising quality and trusted performance. Individual results may vary depending on the condition of your car's paint. Always test in an inconspicuous area first. What we like. This product combines scratch removal, swirl correction, and wax protection in one convenient bottle. It's a simple way to achieve a deep, glossy shine with added protection. If you're looking for a time-saving, all-in-one solution, this is for you. What people say. My fave for daily paint corrections, the size and ease of applying product are a dream. The work it makes for scratch removals are amazing when you finish the jobs, and just look at how the water repel of the cars are just like the care is recently painted LOL. Works great and again is a high quality product that won't leak any drop. Fantastic product and a real improvement that fits a particular need in detailing. If you don't have time for a full two-step paint correction, IPA wipe, and LSP application, this stuff is a legitimate replacement. The polish itself is purple, smells like grape bubblegum, doesn't dust at all from what I can tell, and is very effective without having to use anything more than about 3 pea-sized drops per panel. It wipes off fairly easily, but being an LSP, there is some resistance in wiping off the product once it hazes. Also, the LSP beads really well. It looks really nice on metallic colors as well. Additionally, I used it for polishing the side and rear windows and couldn't have been happier with the results. The best AIO I have used. As a dealer, I use an AIO product from a very large direct seller who delivers to dealers. However, this product is much better. I used this on a personal vehicle and the results were outstanding. A super glossy shine as advertised. I followed the instructions exactly. We use a 6-inch DA random orbital polisher. HD recommends using this. I used an orange pad to help cure some surface defects. As per the instructions, I used very little of the product. The product goes off quickly and easily with a clean microfiber towel. Number 1. Chemical Guys Gap 619. It delivers an unmatched deep, wet shine to your black or dark colored vehicle. Get ready to turn heads. This amazing product enhances shine, fills minor imperfections, and seals your car's paint all at once. It's a true multitasker. You'll achieve a sealed, glossy finish without needing multiple products or steps. Save time and effort. The micro-refined oils in it help reduce the visibility of minor swirls and scratches, giving your car a flawless look. It offers premium inhibitors that block harmful solar rays and protective agents that shield your car from environmental damage. Keep your car looking its best for longer. With this product, you get superior shine, protection, and ease of use. It's the perfect solution for maintaining your vehicle's beauty. What we like. This glaze and sealant enhances the shine of black and dark-colored cars while masking minor imperfections. It's a time saver that delivers a deep, wet look in a single step. If you own a dark-colored vehicle and want an easy way to boost its shine, this is the product for you. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.